Bennington Battle Day, 16th August. Bennington Battle Day is a state holiday in Vermont to honor of the Battle of Bennington, which took place during the Revolutionary War in North America in 1777. The day is usually celebrated annually on August 16. Any legal holiday that falls on a Saturday in Vermont is celebrated the preceding Friday. The Battle of Bennington took place in New York, but it is so named because the British were headed for a cache of weapons and munitions stored where the Bennington Battle Monument now stands in present-day Old Bennington, Vermont. History of Bennington Battle Day. In July 1777, the British had recaptured Fort Ticonderoga and under the command of General John Burgoyne had pushed into New England with the aim of cutting them off from the other colonies. In order to keep his supply lines strong enough to support his troops and maintain his advance, Burgoyne had dispatched a well-equipped raiding party on August 9, 1777, led by the German Colonel Frederick Baum, to plunder military supplies from Bennington, Vermont. The 800-strong raiding party met with initial success, winning a skirmish with a group of American militia led by Vermont Brigadier General John Stark on August 14, 1777. Beaten but not defeated, the Americans regrouped, strengthened their numbers, and on August 16th, Stark moved his troops to intercept the British 5 miles north of Bennington. The Americans attacked the British simultaneously from several directions. Many of the British contingent ran away under these first assaults, and Colonel Baum was fatally wounded, reducing the British appetite for the fight, and they surrendered shortly afterwards. After the battle, the final tally was that the Americans had lost 30 troops with 42 wounded, while the British dead numbered 207 and had 700 troops captured. The victory at Bennington was a great boost to American morale and contributed to the defeat of Burgoyne at the Battle of Saratoga, a major turning point for the American Revolution. The Battle of Bennington is credited by many historians as the first victory for the United States. It was the first of a string of victories that finally forced the surrender of the British and gave what is now known as the United States of America its heritage of independence and freedom. Observance of the day. Today, the scene of Battle of Bennington is commemorated by a historical park near Walloomsac and by a 306-foot monument at the village of Old Bennington. The monument marks the site of a critical supply depot during the Revolutionary War. Each year, locals and visitors gather to observe the Bennington Battle Day celebrations in Bennington, Vermont. Visitors and locals alike can ride an elevator to the top of the Bennington Monument for panoramic views of the valleys and the hills of Vermont, Massachusetts, and New York. As this is a state holiday, many government offices will be closed, but federal offices will remain open. Many state historic sites in Vermont are open and free to the public on August 16. Transit services such as the Green Mountain Express bus service operate during this holiday.